Tagalogin ko po. Aware po ba tayo na yung Section 21 po, ito po ay tinitake up po dun sa amendments natin sa RA 9165 in the committee.
Kaya nga po, Mr. Speaker, kailangan natin balikan at bilis-bilisan po ang problema po natin sa Kongreso. Kaya po tayo napupulaan ng mga kababayan natin. Napakarami natin mga batas na kailangang ayusin, subalit hindi po naaayos, kaya kailangan po natin bilis-bilisan. Kung ito po ay na-take up, sana po ay mabilisan pa para kaagad po ito ay ma-review at magawan po natin ang paraan dahil ito po ay kahilingan ng mga kasamahan po ng ating 4th Estate, Mr. Speaker.
Tama po.
Deputy Majority Floor Leader, Mr. Speaker.
That very sure, Mr. Speaker, that you know very well that the Committee on Anti-Drugs is very active on RA 9165.
I am aware, Mr. Speaker.
Oh, you are aware, Mr. Speaker. Thank you. If you're aware, Mr. Speaker, then what was the purpose of the privileged speech?
I don't know if my distinguished colleague was present when I was mentioning an amendment on Section 21 of RA 9165, particularly exempting the media from being signatories in drug-related operations, particularly on confiscated items, Mr. Speaker.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Speaker. The reason why I wanted to ask the good gentleman is because, you know, RA 9165 was passed already in the last Congress. And during this Congress, it has also been amended. And in Section 21 of RA 9165, I don't know if the good gentleman is aware, the Deputy Majority Floor Leader is aware that Section 21 has been taken up.
Can you repeat that, Mr. Speaker?
Tagalogin ko po. Aware po ba tayo na yung Section 21 po, ito po ay tinitake up po dun sa amendments natin sa RA 9165 in the committee. Napakaganda pong suggestion po niyan. Since kayo po ay malakas po sa Senado, baka pwede pong sila pong sabihan ninyo dahil wala po tayong counterpart sa Senado. Tapos na po tayo sa amendments natin. At yung pong privileged speech niyo kanina, pagtanggal po ng media, personalities, pag dumarating ang inventory time, pag mayroong buybacks, wala na po sa provision.